So I'm getting ready to sell this pressure washer. It's one of three, gonna keep one. This one's gonna go. And I can't remember if I stored this thing without any fuel in it. It looks like I serviced it. The inside of the throat doesn't look too bad. And there is no fuel. You guys can't see it too well, but I can see all the way to the bottom. So first thing I'm gonna do is grab a bowl, and we're gonna pull the carburetor bowl off, see what's in it, and then I'm gonna pull the jets out. Hopefully it'll come out pretty easily. Sure enough, it looks like I did empty it before I stored it. So that's a really good sign. Might not have to do anything. I am gonna still pull out that center jets, because I might as well, I'm already there. That was easy. That's exactly what I needed to come out. Using this pick makes it quite a bit easier. Just get it in through there, kind of press it down, and then see that hole? I got this in there. Let it make contact with the bottom part of the jet so I can hold up against it and then get it out the rest of the way with a flathead. We kind of got lucky and the rest of it fell out. So let's see what kind of shape these are in. They look really good. Yep. So when I put this thing away, apparently I cleaned it out, drained all the gas out of it. So in theory, we should be able to put fresh gas in this, connect the water to it, and it should work. So when you go to reinstall one of these, the long side goes up and in. The short stubby side is what faces down. So I'm gonna just put that right back in. Just a little tight. Inside of the bowl looks good. Don't matter which way they go on. The gasket's up there, I can see it. Like I said, showed you guys earlier, this filter is brand new. So we'll check the oil. Oil's perfectly fine. I can see it coming up to the threads. Right where it should be. It actually looks really clean, so again, I must have serviced this thing entirely before I put it away. So let's get it outside and get some water hooked up to it, some gas in it, see what it does. All right, so I got the hose and gun hooked up now. I have it just sitting here with the trigger activated, and that's kind of what I do with these just to make it a little bit easier on the pump so there's no air pockets. I turn the water on first, barring that there's no leaks, which there might be. Need to clean that out. There's a little bit of rust in it. One of the other ones. This thing on. I have not tried to turn it on yet. Switch on, full choke. So I'm happy with that. Thing runs perfectly. I might just keep this one and sell the other one.